Hey, oh, hey, vlog. Any tips for how Allie can clean something out of her teeth?
I don't have any floss. Oh.
A nail, maybe?
Like, what trinkets do I have in
You
my
have a safety pin. Can you pick it out, maybe?
Maybe. How did this get in there? This is a sturdy one.
Yeah, it's good. Keep that.
Wow.
Hold on to that. What's this?
Yeah.
Refreshing light.
Oh.
Like what though? We have just, I know what you can use.
Huh.
Where are my keys?
Your scissors?
No, even better. A toothpick.
Are you freaking kidding me? I don't know if it's gonna be skinny enough. Yeah.
You can try it. I've never used it. Anyway, Allie's trying to get something out of her teeth. We are at the St. Albert Grey Nuns woodlot. And it's not really raining too much. Hey?
No, it's just misting.
Are you still gonna wear your
poncho?
Yeah. Okay. Ponchos will be activated.
Because I feel like we're still gonna get soaked.
Yeah, you're right. Also, because like the trees will probably be dripping water on us.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're gonna head on in there and see what Mother Nature gives us.
Yeah.
Hopefully some good stuff.
Hopefully. We saw some birds flying around when we were approaching.
Yeah,
so
that's a good sign.
Yeah. Thanks for your toothpick.
Did it work? Nope. Save that for later. Do the safety pin? Nope. Awesome. Okay, see you in a bit. Allie has to pee. We are at the co-op, so Allie can empty her bladder, and so I can maybe buy a granola bar or something. Alright, coming to you live with an unboxing.
Here's my haul. I got my plackers, and I got a Nerds gummy clusters.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And I bought a $6 little tiny. It was like, she commented 3 times on the price of it. And I was like, I know it's expensive.
That's how you know it's bad.
Yeah.
Is when an own employee.
Yeah, she's like, why is this so expensive? I was like, I don't know. That's really cute.
I'm actually gonna keep this and refill it with my other.
Yeah.
This is the perfect car thing.
It is good. Okay.
Oh, and watch this opening.
Imagine they all fall out. Be careful.
Wow, it's so cute in there though.
It is really cute. Show the camera. That's like so perfectly perfect. Okay.
And if it's in my little upper drawer too, I would show you, but I don't want to disrupt.
Right.
And let's see if it gets it out of my teeth.
What is it that's stuck, by the way?
I have no idea.
Oh. Still in there?
It's because it's stuck in my retainer teeth.
Oh, you need the pokey side.
Yeah.
Flip that. Let's see.
Feels like it's there.
I actually don't see anything. But if you feel it, that means it's there. While you're doing that, maybe I'll unbox my protein bar. Looks like...
Oh. It's like freckly. How's it smell?
Very chocolatey.
Oh, that smells really good. Wow.
The flavors are melting in my mouth.
That actually looks delicious. Does it taste like protein, you know, like protein bar Yuckies, or? Oh.
I'm a little confused. Like, it almost has like this layer up here. It's almost kind of like jelly.
Huh.
It has like the classic like chewy.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna be here for a while. You know.
Yeah. You gotta wash it down.
Any luck? Maybe it's just your actual retainer.
But it feels different. You know, like when you have something in your mouth and it like...
It's a foreign.
Yeah.
Okay. This actually is pretty good.
I love that.
Not worth $6, but pretty good.
Yeah, $6 is insane.
Yeah.
It's very loud.
Whoa. Whoa. Get it up. Holy Toledo. That was insane.
I thought it was a fucking seagull.
Pelican. Just soaring. Okay. To update, we've been having lots of bird activity. Lots of warblers. Tennessee warbler. We heard but didn't see. Right?
Yellow warblers, white-throated sparrow, Tennessee warbler, American goldfinch, red-eyed vireo.
A lot.
Yeah.
A lot. And I'm like 99.99999% sure I heard something that sounded very much like an owl. dinner today? I'm cooking. Mushroom. Why is it like not pink?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Whoa. Why do you think it's that color? What happened to its butt?
I don't know.
You smell that? It's literally the smell of this wood. Who would do this? L plus I? Idiots. Losers and idiots. There he is. I can't stay still. We just found a very rare frog.
It's so cute.
That's really cute. Who do you think put him here?
I did.
What? Hey. Feeling fucking Snow White right now. What's that? Another one. We're testing to see if it's... I feel like just by looking at it we can tell it's fresh. Oh wait.
It's hard.
I
Ooh, yuckies.
feel like maybe it just got rained on.
Oh, I see.
Wet.
I see.
Hello. Here.
One of these fucking idiots do. What's that?
No idea. Had a really pointy nose.
Yeah.
It almost kind of looked like a woodpecker.
Maybe.
It looks like a mini, pileated woodpecker,
Huh.
in my opinion.
It kind of looks like a starling, but like skinnier and longer.
Yeah. I guess we'll never know. Anyway, we're walking along a very busy trail, or very busy road right now. Feeling a little bit humbled by our outfits. But we're seeing the good stuff. They're not. Fucking Sora, bro.
It's totally a Sora.
Cool. Hello, vlog. We had a really nice day today.
We did. We saw a lot of really good stuff.
We saw great stuff, and like we really had the.
Sorry.
It's okay.